Hi kids! Teacher Roby is back and welcome to another video lesson about the human body systems. At your age today, most of you are fond of doing physical activities. Physical activity is defined as the movement of the body using energy. Examples of this are running, walking, jogging, dancing, and many more. Now, among these body systems here, one of which is responsible in doing physical activities, and that is the muscular system. Our second topic for the lesson Human Body System is about the muscular system. Now I want you to try this activity and let us see how much you know about the muscular system. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on your notebook. Number 1. Which of the following statements is not true about muscles? A. Muscles work alone to provide movement. B. Cardiac muscles are found only in the heart. C. When a muscle contracts, it pulls one bone toward another bone. And D. All muscles are connected to bones. Number 2. What is the type of muscle that can be controlled? A. Cardiac. B. Involuntary. C. Voluntary. D. Smooth. Number 3. What two muscles of the arms perform bending or extending actions? A. Biceps and triceps. B. Deltoid and brachialis. C. Tarsals and phalanges. D. Carpals and phalanges. Number 4. How do the bones of the muscles move? A. When the muscles attached to them pull. B. When the muscles attached to them push. C. When the muscles attached to them breaks. D. When the muscles attached to them slides over. Number 5. What type of muscle is only found in the heart? A. Cardiac. B. Involuntary. C. Smooth. D. Voluntary. Now, how did you find the quiz? If you find it difficult, do not worry because we are going to discuss more about the muscular system. This time, kids, let us do this activity. I want you to identify the different types of muscles based on the picture given by decoding the jumbled letters. And I'll be giving you 5 seconds to decode the jumbled letters. Picture number 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is involuntary. Picture number 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is striated. Picture number 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is cardiac. Now kids, I hope you got all the answers correctly. This time, please be ready for another activity. This activity is entitled Jogging Muscles. For the procedure, 1. Jog outside for 3 minutes. Number 2. After jogging, place your hand on your chest. And then number 3. Answer the guide questions. For the guide questions, number 1. What did you feel in your chest after jogging? Number 2. Did your heartbeat stop for a while? Number 3. What muscle or muscles is or are involved in the activity? Number 4. Can you control the movement of your muscles? Why? Now kids, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to answer, so please set your timer and pause this video for a while. Time is up. Congratulations kids for finishing the activity. Now, let us have the discussion about the muscular system. I want you to take note for the important details in your notebook and keep the following ideas in your mind. Muscle is a special kind of tissue that brings about movement. The kind of movement that muscles carry out depends on where the muscles are located. Without muscles, your bones and joints will be useless. When muscles contract, they pull the body parts to which they are attached. This action usually causes some movement. Most muscles are attached to bones and extended from one bone to another. Each end of the muscles is attached to a bone by a strong connective tissue, which is called a tendon. Bones of the muscles move only when the muscles attached to them pull. Muscles do not push, they only pull. Not all muscles are connected to the bones. For example, heart muscles work by squeezing. Some muscles are connected to the skin. There are 3 types of muscles. First is voluntary. This is also known as striated. Like the skeletal muscle, it is a muscle that can be controlled. Second is involuntary, or also known as smooth muscles. Forms the muscle layers of the digestive tract and other internal organs. These muscles cannot be controlled. Third is cardiac, found only in the heart. The cardiac muscle works like a smooth, involuntary muscle. This time, kids, let us do the reflection. Directions: complete the following sentence prompts. First, I have learned that. Second, I wish to ask my teacher about. Your answers to this part will be collected by your science teacher. We are now down to the last part of this lesson. We are going to assess what you have learned. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on your notebook. Number 1. What system provides the body with movement? A. Circulatory. B. Digestive. C. Muscular. D. Skeletal. Number 2. Which of these muscles do not stop working? A. Leg muscles. B. Arm muscles. C. Facial muscles. D. Heart muscles. Number 3. Which of the following statements is not true about muscles? A. Muscles work alone to provide movement. B. Cardiac muscles are found only in the heart. C. When a muscle contracts, it pulls one bone toward another bone. D. All muscles are connected to bones. Number 4. What 2 muscles of the arms perform bending or extending actions? A. Biceps and triceps. B. Deltoid and brachialis. C. Tarsals and phalanges. D.
carpals and phalanges. Number 5. What type of muscles move when we want them to move? A. Cardiac. B. Smooth. C. Voluntary. D. Involuntary. For test 2 kids, you are going to identify the different parts of the muscular system. Directions: identify the muscles used in each activity. But before answering, kids, kindly copy this table in your activity notebook. First column is for actions. Second column is for muscles used. Third column is for types of muscle. The first action is heart beating. Number 2, blinking of the eyes. Number 3, bowing of head. Number 4, stretching arms. Number 5, writing. Excellent, kids! Please be reminded that your science activity notebook will be collected by your science teacher. Kindly contact your science teacher once you are done with the activities.
Congratulations, kids, for finishing the lesson about the muscular system. We still have a lot of body systems to discuss, so please do not forget to tune in for more videos.